Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the extra puzzles. The extra puzzles in the puzzle page and the additional not in today's newspaper on Monday, February the 5th, 2024. I've told you earlier, there are no extra puzzles in today's newspaper. No, it's in the weekend edition. Yeah, Saturday, Sunday, February the 3rd and the 4th. 2024, we have 5 puzzles left, and the first one I will solve is this one in the puzzle page, and the second one will be this one, the binary. And in the additional, we have 3 puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 2 stars, and the jigsaw Sudoku. Alright, the first is the Sudoku with 3 stars. Well, it's not actually a 3 stars puzzle. Why? Well, because it has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25, but this one has 26 printed digits. Where's my pencil? Where is my pencil here? 26. And this one will be number 7941. For a puzzle with 26 printed digits, should be a 2 stars puzzle. Need 15 to 20 minutes to solve, but it's indicated with a 3 stars, and for 3 stars I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Alright, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, and look, we have 1 and a 4 in this row, so no 1 and a 4 in this box. 1 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there, so 1 digit left. Should be the 3. Alright. And now, how about the number? Let me see. 8, 8, 8. And we have the 2 in this column. 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 place left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left is 7. Should be there. 9. Then. 6 here. We have a pair, I believe. No, not a pair. 1, 1, 6, 6. Okay. 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9. 7. Need a 1 here. 1 in this row. 1 in the row below. So last row. Only 2 places left. The 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. How about 6 in this column? 6 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. Now only 2 places left. The 6 will be here or there. We have 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. 6, 6. Well. Cannot continue with the 6. Need to wait. 6, 6. 3, 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 2 there. How about the number? Need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 9. We have a 9 in the first column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in the middle row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. Alright, now we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the third column, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 9 there. Here 9 in the second row, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then there's 6 there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Need a 6 there. Alright. Need an 8 here. Come on. 1, 1, 1. How about the number? Well. Come on. 2, 2, 2. I'm stuck. Cannot believe this. 6, 6. 1, 2, 6. 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 marks. So the 7 in the middle row could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 7 in the middle column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 8 could be here, could be there. 3, 4, and 1. Need a 1 there. So we need a 7 there. 7. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 here. Alright. Okay. Need a 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in this row, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Shoot there. Mark those 2 boxes all the way to 9. We have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, okay. Cannot continue with the 9 now. How about 6 here? How about 3, 3, 3, 3? Need a 3 here, need a 9 here. 1, 2, 3. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 3, 3, 3, 8, and a 4. Interesting. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Come on, come on. 3, 4. Need 7 here. Need a 7 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 7 and 8. We have 7 and 8 in this column, so no 7 and 8 in these 3 boxes. 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column, so the column next to only 2 place level. The 7 should be here. Oh, there we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 place level. The 7 should be here. Oh, there we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are not used. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 2 place level 7 should be here. Oh, there we have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 7, 8. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So the row between, no need to place level 8. Could be here, could be there. Here we have 8. Here we have 8. That means we need an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. Because this box can be an 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here can be an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. In this row, here can be an 8. Here can be an 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. So the 8 in the third column could be here, could be there. Here or there. You see another 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 6, 7, 5, 8, 9, 5, 1. Need a 1 here. Need 5 there. Alright. Okay. And now, mark those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the amount. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. The 5 is missing here. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 place left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for the amount. The 1 and 2, 3 is missing. So we have here 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next only place left 4 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the amount. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, 2 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those. Alright, here also 2 missing numbers in this column. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Well, cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 missing numbers then? 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Well, cannot fill this yet. Come on. How about these 3? 1, 3, and the 4 is missing. Well, this box can be 4. We have a 4 in this big square. No 4 there. So the 4, and here can be 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. So the only place left is 4 in the middle row. Should be there. So the 1 and the 3 are left. We have a 1 in the middle column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. No. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 5 and the 9. 5 and the 9. You're not through this yet. Alright. 8, 9, need a 3 here. Well, we have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. So the 3 goes together with the 9 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 2 and 8, we have 8 now in the first column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 here, so this box should be a 3. 1 box left in the first column for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 now in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and a 9. 9 and a 5. 1 box left in the first row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then 1 box left in the last column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 and a 9, we have a 3 now in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2, 3. 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5. It goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow. Well. Told you. Should be at 2 stars. Not at 3 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the second puzzle in this puzzle page, the binary. Until then, bye-bye for now.